got its rewards and recognition ceremony. A huge round of applause for everyone because you all are the superstars, and I'm so glad to see after 2 years writing such kind of a get-together, such kind of gathering is happening. And so good to see all these smiling faces, and I hope you all are doing good. My name is Mayuri Malandkar. I'm going to be the host for today's event. And ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, that COVID-19 pandemic brought with it a completely changed external scenario and working conditions as well. But you all of you responded with agility and were very quick to adopt the changed environment, and all of you contributed towards the delivering your responsibilities and achieving your goals and objectives. And now we're going to begin with the felicitation ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, our organization is definitely a good place to work. पर उसी के साथ साथ हमारे साथ कुछ ऐसे लोग जुड़े हैं जो अपने डेडिकेशन और बेस्ट वर्क के साथ इस जगह को काम करने के लिए एक बेस्ट जगह बनाते हैं. एंड अब समय आ गया है कि हम उनके काम के लिए, उनके एफर्ट्स के लिए उन्हें नवाजें. We are going to begin with Group A, and that is for Mumbai and Pune. In this, we are going to appreciate top branches achieving 100% business in all segments, that is life insurance, CPP, general insurance and health insurance. I would like to request Sameer sir to present these awards to the outstanding branches. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we begin with the branch achieving 100% business in all the segments. And the first one is, any guesses? Zone 10 headed by Pawan Deshmukh. Congratulations. First rank in mutual fund business, generating business up to 4.80 crores, and only Zone 3 is qualified in health insurance business premium branches. We have Mr. Devendra Jadhav, our branch manager. This branch has achieved the target of 382% in the financial year 2021. Congratulations. Zone 2 headed by Vaishali Richman. Congratulations. 100% insurance target has been achieved by this zone. Percentage by second rank in premium business and percentage by third rank in total business. That has received the maximum numbers of prizes, and that is Zone 3 headed by Congratulations. They have achieved 100% insurance target